Venn diagram, something that often comes up almost every year on your junior cert. Let's see. There are 88 students in third year in school. The Venn diagram below shows the number of students who are members of the debating club and the chess club. Some of these values are given in terms of x, where x belongs to n. Now, what does that mean? X is a natural number, means what? A whole positive value. Why? Well, because it represents the number of students, isn't it? We cannot have 3.5 people. Okay, in total, there are 40 students in the debating club D. There are 37 students in neither club. And we can see that information 40, then we have 37 and 88. So let's see what we need to do. First thing, we have to fill in the missing value in the Venn diagram in terms of x. When we are told in terms of, that means that our answer have to include whatever terms and conditions are. So in this case, our answer have to have x. So the only part that isn't filled is this part. Now, we know that all of that, D, is 40. So this part is students that are in debating club and in the chess club. So let's say, for example, that this part is 10, that there is 10 students that are in the debating club and chess club. So how many students are only in the debating club if all of them were 40? Well, you will say, well, 40 minus 10 gives me 30, isn't it? So the idea will be the same. The only thing we made up 10, we don't have 10, we have x. So therefore that will be 40 minus x. So that's missing the value. Now, hence, meaning what? With the knowledge that we just acquired. What is that knowledge that we just acquired? Now we have all the values in every place in the diagram. Otherwise, work out the value of x. So we want to tell them x equal a number. In order for me to tell them x equal a number, I need to create an equation that have two sides, have items on one side, items on the other side, and somewhere here I have my x. So what is this question about Venn diagram? What do I know about it? That everybody is 88. So I said, okay, 88. That will means what? Is this part 40 minus x? Then is this part x? Then is this part 2x plus 1? And then is 37. Together, all these numbers should give me 88. So now I have created an equation with x and the numbers and two sides. So how do we solve that? When we want x on one side of the equation, numbers on the other side. Here I have 88, then that 40, I move to the other side, I change the sign. Then I have 1, move to the other side, change the sign. 37, move to the other side, change the sign. Then on this side of the equation, so all those numbers, that will be all gone. I am left now with minus 1x plus 1x. Well, together they will be 0x. So now I am only left with 2x on this side of the equation. Now you are wondering, can we not add 14, 1 and 37 on this side? Of course we can. I'm just showing you how numbers move around. Okay, so I am almost there. I have almost x on its own, numbers on the other side. How do I eliminate that 2? 2x means what? 2 multiplied by x. How do we get rid of multiplication? Always the same, by dividing and dividing both sides of the equation. And then if we put all of that in our calculator and press equal, we will get that x is 5. So now we found the value of x. And let's have a look at last part of this question. So Michael is in the set, and then that's what it is. So I have to understand what those emojis mean. Okay, I know. So that means everything in set D apart from set C. So everything in set D is this, but not the part that belongs to C. So not this part. So that means what? 40 minus x. And actually, we know what is the value of x5. We know that here I have 35. So what information does this give about the clubs that Michael is in? So Michael is here. What does that mean? That he's in the club that have 35 students, and those 35 students do not belong to the chess club. They only do debating club. That's what it means.